I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Journey battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Before starting, locate your battery. It's typically found under the hood or sometimes in the passenger side fender well, depending on your specific model. Ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal cable first. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative is off, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. After both cables are free, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. You can then carefully lift out the old battery. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush and terminal cleaner to ensure good contact. Now, carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flush and securely. Reattach the hold-down clamp. Then, connect the positive terminal cable first, followed by the negative terminal cable, tightening both firmly. Before you're done, double-check that both battery terminals are tightly secured and the battery itself is firmly held in place by its clamp. For added protection and to prevent corrosion, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery. Most auto parts stores or recycling centers will accept it, often free of charge, ensuring environmental responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.